Hello everybody, Satnam. So we just shortly wanted to give you a little trick again to create more joy. Let's say to smile easier, if you want to call it. Yeah. And in the business of teas, that's always the spices because they make you hot, they make you warm, they make you happy. I mean, the heat makes you happy. Yeah. So for me, if I want to have a little bit more joy and laughing in myself, so that also others around me feel my joy, which is always a very nice effect, right? I do something that's also creates a heat. Yeah, it's like my own spices, and it's called the breath of fire. And we do it with our navel point, as if you're not inhaling and exhaling with the nose, but your navel is going pumping in and out. So you're pulling your navel in and pulling out, and you're doing it very strongly and fast, and that creates a heat, and your nose automatically will start breathing the breath of fire. And you can do it 1 minute and you feel, again, it's all about the effect, right? It's all about the effect, because in the end what we want to achieve is that we do something for ourselves that works, yeah, and others benefit from that too. So again, sit however you want to and wherever you are. You can do it standing, and we start pulling the navel back and forth, and the breath is going to happen through the nose like this. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Don't go too slow, like that's almost breathing, yeah? You have to create fire in you because you want to have joy and you want to sparkle, because that just feels so great, yeah? So a little faster. Keep your shoulders backwards a little bit, like pull yourself straight and relax. Continue, and you start noticing a little heat happening. It's super healthy for the intestines. Intestines clean means happiness in life. Blood circulation starts running faster, which is very important. Metabolism support, you know. So I want to do this for a minute. If I don't have time, I can do it for 3 minutes. It has a great effect. If you want to clear a little bit more your blood circulation, if you want to put more oxygen in your blood, you can do it 11 minutes just watching television or doing whatever. And you do the breath of fire. Okay? And you'll see that it creates great feeling in yourself. So take care.